Alright, let's take our class attendance. Please sit properly. When I call your name, do not say here or present. Instead, I want you to say like this. This na. Hi, you say hi, like that na. Rios, Pung, Pater, Pum, Tanapum, Sipi, Tunpu, Nawa, FIFA. I like it, FIFA na. Kinga, Kun, Kau, absent, Purinat, Sprite, Fiat, Tal, Nua, Im, Cow, City, Bonus, Paint, Kautu, Baitong, Pinmok, Parn, Baitong, An, Aim, August. Okay, very good.